Okay, welcome to another tutorial. I am showing how to organize Paint Shopt Pro and how to point to the files that they need to be pointed to. First of all, if you have Paint Shopt Pro installed, you want to click on Start, Documents, and in My Documents, scroll down till you see My PSP files, which is right here. Okay, if you don't have it, you need to create this folder. It'll be My PSP files. Double click to open it. Now you should have folders in here to organize: one for brushes, one for bump maps, CMYQ profiles, deformation maps. You'll have one for gradients, one for palettes, one for masks, your plugins. Okay, let's go back. You should have one for patterns. I'll just scroll down here slowly. Picture frames, preset shapes. If you have all these in here just as kind of random, you really need the organization. Otherwise, if you point, which I'll show you how to point to these folders in Paint Shopt Pro to show where they're at. You should even have swatches, which I've even got texture drivers, and then I've even got one for textures, workspaces, presets. Okay, all these should be right here. Okay, now if you have them organized, your gradients in your gradients file, everything in your folders, you're going to be fine. Now, how you point to these, we're going to open up Paint Shopt Pro. Okay, once you have Paint Shopt Pro open, you click File, and then you're going to go to, you're going to go somewhere. I'm a little slow this morning. I apologize. Maybe it's Window, Help, no, Selections. Okay, it's been a while since I've worked in here, but I just had a call asking for this tutorial. So I know it's in here. Preferences. If you click on File, right here, use the drop-down menu, you go to Preferences, and then you go down here to File Locations. Okay? Open it up. You will get this window here. If I can move it over. And my computer will not let me move it over for some reason. Hold on. This can be fixed, so I can show you how to do this. If you'll give me just a minute. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to move this over with my walking board here. Okay, now I've got that right in front of us so you can see how to do this. Now, if you will see over here on the right, you have caches, CMYQ files, deformation maps, gradients, masks, your plugins, your preset shapes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to brushes. Okay, brushes should be at the top of the list. It is alphabetical order. Now, if you don't have these files here, what you need to do, just to make sure you have it, click over here where it says Add, click it, and you can see this little drop-down menu. What you want to do, once again, go to My PSP Files. You want to navigate to My PSP Files, which should be in your My Documents. Okay, which this is, I'll just scroll up so you can see, which I have all kinds of things in here. Okay, here's your My Documents folder. So what we're going to do, we're going to close it off and pretend that we've not opened it. Click My Documents, go down to My PSP Files, which is right here, and then go down to Brushes. You just highlight the brush folder. You don't you do anything but highlight the folder, and then you're going to click OK. Alright? Now, it's already added in there, so you're going to click OK. Now, because I've already got that location in there, I'm going to click Remove, and then I'm going to click OK. Now it's pointed to that file. You go right back to File, Preferences, File Locations, and what you want to do is go down through each one of these just to make sure you have them all. You do not want things loaded into, because I will not put it into the more you have into the root directory, which would be program files, Corel Paint Shop Pro, and then the version, the more you have in this location right here is the more it's going to slow down the program into loading, because everything has to load. I load everything into, or copy and paste everything into my PSP file in my documents. Okay, so that's it. I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Oh.